This video we are going to see to draw yet another part of the weld fixture assembly. We have some symmetry, and then we're going to look at tangency of straight lines and curves and the correct way of dimensioning. So as usual, we go need to save anyway. So we save this one as side plate. Side plate weld fixture. Very important still. Then we look for our folder, which is there, and we save there. All files of the same assembly should always be saved in the same folder to avoid syntax errors, especially with similar names. So we pick, we can pick the right plane, and then we draw with symmetry. So what I will do, I will draw a line from the center to the left. I'll give it 140 mils, so which is about halfway. And then I will draw a circle anywhere on the top. It can be the largest circle there, which is the radius 50 or diameter 100. After that, I'll put this length here, 240. So that's the position dimension. That's 240. So all I need to do now is to draw a line from this point tangent to that circle. So you can just push this line along the edge until when you see that symbol for tangency. Another way would be to draw the line and then use that constraint on which will give you the same effect. So just click there, press escape, and now have one side of this drawing. Then I will draw a center line somewhere here in the middle. Change that to construction. Then I do that as construction. I can remove that construction. And then I do a mirror of this line and that line. Mirror line is there. Then selected those two here, and then click OK. So all I need to do now is to trim off this and that, and then I draw the inside circle, which is 50 mils. So the drawing seems to be finished now. Then I do the extrude. Let's click on the small house so to see what we are getting. We don't need that middle part, so I remove it, and then I have to click in this side. Now, this one doesn't show, it shows that's not complete. So it means there's some problem with our sketch. So in this one, if you zoom in the middle here, it shows that those lines don't join, or there is something in the middle there, which is, so we do some repairs. So if I click There I see there was some kind of a line. I remove it, and then I go to, there is a tool called extend. Let's see if I can extend that line, and now you see the whole thing has turned blue, which means that's now a complete drawing. So I do extrude again, and then I extrude it to 20 mils, and that finishes off this drawing. We've got the next one.